Hey, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you my 99-cent shout out. So I will shout out your channel. So if you take a look, I have a member shout out. So if you click over here, view all, you will see everyone who paid $1 for me to shout them out. And then if you click under playlist, you can see some samples. So under playlist, I'll have 16 videos so far where it says shout out members 99 cents. Big shout out to CJ from Miss Todoric. And let me show you a few. So I take a look at your profile, any content, and I kind of match the music that would kind of go with what you have. My advice. Hey, it's Miss Todoric. Big shout out to Alex on this channel. So some students, you guys don't have too much content. I would add some content, and I would also include your other social media links. That way I could follow you on like Instagram or TikTok, and you can do that in your YouTube studio. Who else do we have? So Jamisha, hey you. Then we have Brayden, big shout out. We have Bobby Young, Ella Grace. And then you have the long list here. And I am still working on adding, I think there's a couple more. So if you click on my channel and just go to like videos, or it's something recent, so you'll see they're all shorts. So if you click on shorts, then you'll see like the most recent. So these shout outs were today. And if you click on it, hi, this is Mr. This guy had content so I could use, and then I had some music kind of related to his channel. Shout out to Jaja. I don't know you, but love your channel, love your content, keep posting. I'm a Miss Todoric with a shout out to Fatty Domo. Go subscribe. Sometimes I'll use my voice, other times I'll just play some music.
Let's go.
And that's pretty much it. So you can get your shout out for 99 cents. And then what I'll do is eventually I'll just make a long video like I did here, where you can take a look at that video. And then here you'll have a long list. And I'll ask all my students to subscribe to this. So they can just go ahead and click. These are all the members. And you just click on it, and then easily, like, I subscribe to everyone. All right, so thanks for watching. Shout out your channel. Let's support one another. I shout out my students for free, obviously, and those are down here, student YouTube channels. We support and love. So these are all my students, previous students, and then if you click on view all, you'll see I've worked at many high schools previous to the one I'm at, so you'll see a ton of YouTubers, student YouTubers, and a lot of them have graduated. So if you can scroll down, there's probably like over 300 student YouTubers here that I've had as students. And now we have just shout outs, just random, a lot of students throughout the United States, just students who kind of take the similar classes that we're doing and just supporting our channel. So we support them. It's all about, it's not easy. YouTube being a student entrepreneur. So anything I can do to help, reach out, wendytodoric@gmail.com. And once again, thanks for being a member, and thanks for watching me. Till next time, bye. Big shout out to CJ from Miss Todoric.
Stacking up my money, no time for your shit. Money kulakbo, I don't care for your hate. Me no fighting, me no fighting, me no fighting.
Hi, this is a big shout out to Canadian Gun Junkie. This is Miss Todoric giving you a great big shout out. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope all my students subscribe to yours. Keep posting, keep doing you. All the best. Till next time.
Layla, Layla, Layla. Layla, 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 Layla. L-A-Y-L-A. L-A-Y-L-A. Layla, 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 Layla. Layla, Layla, Layla. Layla, 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 Layla.
Hey, it's Miss Todoric. Big shout out to Alex on this channel. So go subscribe. You'll see all the links on my website in addition to this video in the description. So go subscribe. Alex, if you're listening, add some more content, give us some more links so we can subscribe to other social media platforms. But this is a big shout out to you. All the best from Miss Todoric. Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and this is a big shout out to Jaja. I don't know you, but love your channel, love your content. Keep posting, keep creating. You are way too funny. I had to put instrumental in the background of my song choice for you, but keep doing you. Love it, and I will share your channel with all my students. All right, best of luck to you. Keep grinding. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Miss Todoric. Bye. Miss Todoric with a shout out to Batty Domo. Go subscribe. Big shout out. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll tell all my students to subscribe to your channel. Thanks again. Big, huge shout out from Miss Todoric and all my students.
Set me free. Send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. Send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more.
This is a big shout out to Jay Sean Williams. This is Miss Todoric. Big shout out to you and your channel.
Fishy on a chair. Oh wait, that's a bear. Fishy got drip. He's got that drip. Fishy got that drip. He's got that.
I made my move, and it was all about you. No, I feel so far removed. You are the one thing in my way. 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 You are the one thing in my way.
So happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me go.
I made my move, and it was all about you. Now I feel so far removed. You are the one thing in my way. 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 One thing in my way, you are the one thing in my way.
Hey, Black Belt 12, this is a shout out from Miss Todoric to you. Keep posting, keep doing YouTube. Love ya. Thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe, and all my students, please subscribe to her as well. Till next time, bye. I tell Spanish, mami, vente aquí. Whoa. Yeah, go to my mouth, I don't talk cheap. No, yeah, these bitches used to make fun of my teeth. Now they crusty, AC busted out 100 degrees. Yo, that's fucked up, but oh well, she's an ass. Shout out to Black Belt 12. This shit was so fire, yachty had to run it back. About to ride a chain off in my taxi. 20 subs and counting, big shout out. Something for my neck. Hey Julie, heard you got that drip. Something for my race, hey Julie. Oh, hey Julie.
Set me free. Send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. Send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. I was too strong, you were trembling, you couldn't handle the hot heat rising. Baby, I'm still rising. I was running, you were walking, you couldn't keep up, you were falling down. There's only one way down. I'm giving you up. King China, ding 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 ding. King China, ding 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 ding. King China, ding 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 ding. King China. Vẫn đang bám sát đến tối đi về làm nhạc thì đó chỉ là anh. Vẫn đang chặt rap nghệ An chặt pha miền Trung anh răng rái. Đó là tại vì sao anh vẫn là hàng say với cái đôi găng tay. Phải chứng minh cho họ thấy là cái thằng đi lên từ một bàn tay vẫn có thể làm được, không phải ăn mày. King China, ding 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 ding. King China, ding 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 ding. King China, ding 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 ding. King China.